Running a team means distributing workloads evenly and ensuring you're always available for your clients. Whether you're in sales, healthcare, or customer service, this is crucial. Thanks to FluentBooking's round robin feature for making it a reality. You can create a team, distribute workloads efficiently, and always be on time. To set this up, let's start from the calendar section of FluentBooking. Click New and choose Add Team. Straight away, a tab pops up to name your team and pick team members. After that, select Round Robin to proceed. The rest is the same as creating other booking calendars. Name your event, add a description, and set the duration. Now, set the meeting location. When it comes to meeting locations, you have the luxury of selecting between online and offline for your round-robin appointments. Its integration with Google, Outlook, Apple, and Nextcloud calendars make scheduling and conferencing a breeze from anywhere. You can also book in-person, phone meetings, or custom locations with multiple convenient options. Right after that, pick your time zone and continue. Here are the event details. Keeping others unchanged, let's toggle the Allow Attendee to select duration. Now, add available durations with a default option and let attendees choose their preferred meeting duration. If you move on to the assignment, you can add or remove team members and even personalize their profile. Following that comes availability. Define your availability range, allowing invitees to book time slots within that period. Besides, you can choose a common schedule between hosts using the existing schedule or setting custom hours. Add buffer time, limit booking frequency, and manage attendee permission effortlessly. And locking the time zone on the booking page can be useful for in-person events. Worried about missing appointments? Notification will keep your radar on from confirmation to cancellation. Just tick the box and make sure when you want to get notified. To add some personal touch, the editing option is always there. Not just email, you can even send notifications via SMS with FluentBooking's easy integration with Twilio. From the advanced settings, redirect attendees to any specific page after confirming any booking or manage whether they can cancel or reschedule any booking or not. Here's the best part. FluentBooking merges payment with appointment very well. Its integration with Stripe and PayPal lets you receive secure payments for your appointments easily. It's time to see how the booking works. For that, you have three options: shortcode, landing page, and add to a block. I'm going with the landing page. And here it is. Your clients can choose their preferred duration, set their time zone, see empty slots in that time zone, and book any slot based on that. On the other side, the system will automatically assign it to one of the available hosts in the group. That's how you distribute workload uniformly with round robin and manage them efficiently with FluentBooking. Not just round robin appointments, FluentBooking offers ample options that can solve your scheduling problem all at once. If you are looking for a complete solution for managing appointments in WordPress, grab FluentBooking now.